In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Klaviyo with Amazon. If you are trying to connect your e-commerce store data to your Klaviyo marketing tools, this integration is the foundation. It allows Klaviyo to access product and customer activity from Amazon, which can then support better targeting and more relevant messaging. To get started, open Klaviyo and make sure you are logged into the account you want to connect. Once you are inside the Klaviyo dashboard, look along the navigation area for the Integrations option. This section is where you manage connections to other platforms and services. Taking a moment to confirm you are in the correct workspace is helpful, especially if you manage multiple stores or projects. Now click on Integrations. As soon as you open that area, you will typically see options to explore available apps. The goal here is to find the Amazon app within the list of integrations. After you click Integrations, select Explore Apps. This is the place where Klaviyo gathers third-party tools and lets you search by platform name. You're going to use Search to quickly locate the right integration without scrolling through a long list. Next, use the search field and type Amazon. Wait for the results to appear. Then select the Amazon integration option that shows up in the list. You want to make sure you choose the correct Amazon entry, because different providers or versions might be listed in the integrations catalog. Once you have the correct one selected, you should see an area that indicates details about the integration and installation options. After selecting Amazon, you will also notice wording that relates to Prime. Follow along with what appears on screen and choose the option that indicates it is from Prime, since that is the one referenced in these instructions. This matters because the integration you install should align with the service setup you intend to connect. If your page shows an installation path, verify you are on the Prime-related option before proceeding. Once you confirm the Prime-related Amazon option, click Install. This is the action that actually begins the connection process between Klaviyo and Amazon. At this stage, take a brief moment to ensure you are clicking the installation button for the Amazon app you selected, not a different integration in the results. The installation step is where Klaviyo may prepare the connection and may show additional status information. Depending on your current permissions and the Klaviyo interface, the install step may trigger a confirmation screen or a brief loading state. Follow whatever is displayed on screen during that moment. If the page asks you to proceed, use the appropriate confirmation to continue. The key point is that you are installing the app so Klaviyo can access the Amazon data needed for marketing flows. After the installation is initiated, give it a second to complete. In many cases, you will see a status change, such as the app becoming active or added to your integrations list. This is the evidence that the installation succeeded. If anything looks stuck, it is usually best to wait a moment longer for the progress to finish before taking any additional actions. Once the Amazon integration is installed, your next steps in Klaviyo would typically involve setting up how you want to use the incoming data. However, based strictly on the instructions provided, the essential task is to access integrations, explore apps, select Amazon, choose the Prime option, and click Install. To wrap up, you have now connected Klaviyo with Amazon by installing the appropriate integration from the Integrations Explorer. And that covers everything you need to know.